up? It's Queen said. I'm outside getting ready to install some parts to my motorcycle. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process to show you how easy these installs are. Let's go. Getting ready to install this new battery that Harley-Davidson sent me. It's the new Lithium life battery. All right, so I just took the seat off my bike. I'm rocking with the Saddleman Road sofa seat. It's pretty dirty down there, but we're going to get ready to start taking some of these things out so I can access the battery that's under there. All right, so I got the tools I need to make sure I get the job done. I have to go out, and I know I'm going to need a Torx 40 for this. A Torx 40. So the first thing you have to do is release this piece and pull it up and move it to the side. I'm using a 1.5. We have to get these two off. Now I'm going to take a screwdriver and take the negative side off first. Just unscrew it. Then I'm going to do the positive side. Okay, I finally got to lift this up. This is really heavy. This battery is huge. Whoa. Okay, so we're switching out this battery. Look how heavy it is. I have to use 2 hands. If I try to use one hand, I literally can't lift it up. But look at this new battery in the box. I could toss it up and down. Super excited. This new light lithium battery. This should be way better and probably make my bike, I probably will be able to feel a difference when I'm riding. Boom, there we have it. All right, we got the screws that come with it. Yeah, switch that out. So I'm just gonna drop that in there. Look how much smaller it is. Sheesh. Okay, so let's insert this new Harley-Davidson lithium battery. We're gonna leave it in the crate and we're gonna just drop it in. Super light. Let's get this all screwed back together. We're gonna connect the positive side now. Connect the negative. Now let's get everything put back in. This black piece has to go over this silver piece. It has to fit through there. And there it is. Make sure that fits under there. We got everything back in place. Let's put our screws back. One half. Righty tighty. Okay, so the black goes in there, gray over there. Remember, we have this piece. Gray faces this way, black faces that way. Connect this back, tuck that, and here is black. Tuck those under. Then we're gonna place this plate back in. Just like that. So let's test it out. Woo! And we have power! Woo! And that started right up. make a note that that battery's kicked. It just turned right over. Let's see. Let's try that again. All right, that's the end. It's Queen Sit. We just installed the new Harley-Davidson lithium battery and replaced it from the big heavy one that I can't even lift. Yeah, it's Queen Sit and I'm out.